In this video, I want to show you how to help your phone if you find out that your screen is coming out. If anytime you see your screen that it is struggling to come out, this is what to do. Before taking it to the technician, if you are alone at home, then just do this. So this is what I'm going to do. Just look for this rubber. Don't neglect it. It's very important. If you see your phone screen coming out, just look for this rubber and then hold it with it before taking it to the technician. If not, your phone falls on the ground, the screen is going to get bad at once. So hope you learned something today. But if you are a technician, this is how to use your gum to apply your gum on the screen. So you take your time and put your gum very well so that it should hold firm. So you take your time. This is how to do it. Good. Yes, put it on a place, in a flat place, and then support the screen with your hand while you apply the gum on the surface where the screen is supposed to fit. This is how I do it. That's it, my dear technician. Phone repair is a very good business. Only take your time in everything you are doing. That's it. And then you still need those rubbers. 2 or 3 will be okay to hold the screen firm for at least 2 hours. Even for an hour, but I always prefer 2 hours. So I'll hold it like this. Yes. Take the other one. Good. Make sure it fits well before you tie it with the rubber. This is how I do it, and then it's okay. As you can see, after at least 1-2 hours, the phone will be okay. You need to remove the rubbers and then hand it to your customer. That's it. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.